Hi everyone, this is Brian Hayes, and today I want to focus on major and minor arpeggios or chords for the saxophone. I'm going to assume that you have basic knowledge of scales, and I have many tutorials on major and minor scales and the cycle of fifths. So for today, I'm going to assume that you know the first 5 notes of the main major keys. We're going to start on the first note of the musical alphabet, A. So A major has 3 sharps in it, F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. The first 5 notes of an A major scale will be A, B, C sharp, D and E. Now that's all we need to know to play both major and minor chords based on an A as the foundation note. So an A major chord will be the first, third and fifth notes out of the A major scale. A, C sharp, and in this case E with the octave key on. So if we have a listen to an A major arpeggio is just the name for a broken chord. But in today's modern music language, outside of classical music, players just refer to arpeggios as chords. So here's an A major chord. Now, if you can play a major chord, you automatically know how to play a minor chord. Major is the first, third and fifth notes out of the major scale. Minor simply says, well, we need to play the first, third flattened note. So it was C sharp in the key of A. Well, C sharp with a flat now becomes C natural, and 5. So if you think of the chord as being 3 notes, 1, 2 and 3, the rule is simply the second note of the chord, you flatten a semitone. A, C sharp, E becomes A, C and E. And a really useful exercise is to just play that chord progression of A major to A minor over and over. Get the idea? Just change from the major to the minor on the fly. Don't even repeat the low note. A, C sharp, E, C sharp, now start the minor chord. A, C, E, C, now start the major chord. A, C sharp, E. It's fundamental music theory, but it's amazing how many musicians struggle with the notes and how they can find the notes of major and minor chords. Let's pick another series of notes at random. Say it was C. Well, a C major scale has no sharps or flats. The first 5 notes are C, D, E, F, G. A major chord is always the first, third and fifth note out of the scale, so C, E and G. If we know a major chord, we automatically know how to play the minor chord. We take that second note of the 3 in the chord, in this case E, and we flatten it, and we play E flat. And we put ourselves to the test by playing a C major chord followed by a C minor chord with no stop in between. It's that simple. Mastering major and minor chords is no harder than knowing the first 5 notes in whatever key you want to play. Let's pick a hard key. F sharp major, it's got 6 sharps in it. Every note's a sharp except B. So we need to know the first 5 notes in an F sharp major scale. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp. Every note's a sharp except B. So our F sharp major chord will be the first, third and fifth, which is F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. What will our F sharp minor chord be? Just think of what we've been talking about. We simply need to take that middle note of the chord, the second note of the chord, in this case A sharp, and flatten it. If we drop A sharp back a semitone, it becomes A. So F sharp major is F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. F sharp minor is F sharp, A, C sharp. Put those together in a chord progression. There you have it. Mastery of major and minor chords on the saxophone. I hope you've enjoyed that, perhaps learnt a different way to look at major and minor chords. Bye for now.